Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rinske Douna and I'm a fluid art addict. It's a gorgeous day outside and normally I feel like using a lot of colors then. But not today, because we're gonna use black as a base. I used black as a base before and I did it with an experiment versus white. The black one grew on me, so I was thinking I'm gonna do it again, but this time with only metallics and white. Let's see if this black will take over, and yeah, we're just gonna start painting. Okay, my colors are all mixed with only water, like they always are. I'm always surprised that black is so black. But let's blow this out. I'm gonna torch the air bubbles out a bit. There's not a lot. So we're gonna start with copper today. I'm just gonna make a... Oh, this needs to be shaped a bit. Just gonna make a bottle. Oh, this is shake too much. Let's... You see? All these air bubbles. Okay, let's go in with some gold. And white. And just a little bit more of this copper. Why did I shake this so hard? This time I'm gonna pour the black like this and then blow the black over. Last time I didn't do that. Let me see, it needs a little bit more white, I think. So all the color is here now. And let's see if I can bring it back. Okay, I'm gonna torch this, but this lacing already is so pretty. Yeah, I'm surprised. Why am I surprised? Because I don't like black? No, this is cool. When I'm using white, I don't have this much of cells and lacing, so the black is eating up more of the colors. But yeah, I really like this with only metallics and the white. That gives the contrast. This really looks like leopard skin, or maybe more like a snake. This like, so the leopard and the snake. Yeah, I like it. I'm a bit surprised that I like it this much, but it's very delicate as well. It's very cool. And this copper is so pretty and the composition is good as well. I had difficulties with it before because the black is taking over, but here it really works. Because also I think these colors really match the black. Yeah, I'm very happy. Can't wait till this dries. And guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.